Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Update iOS and free up space so the preview installs without errors. Sign into the App Store with your Apple ID, then install TestFlight if it's not present. Make sure your Microsoft account is connected to your Apple ID or the one tied to Minecraft purchases. This ensures the preview entitlement propagates. Once done, open TestFlight and keep it ready. You'll accept the preview invite next, which initiates the download and sandboxed install process. Now accept the TestFlight invitation that arrives at the Apple ID email tied to your account. Open the invite on your iPhone and tap Accept, then Install. TestFlight will manage the build and updates. During the first launch, grant required permissions, notifications, local network and camera, so crossplay, servers, and add-ons function correctly. If TestFlight shows an expired build, refresh the invite source in the official channel, or rejoin the preview program to receive a fresh link and proceed with installation. Finish by launching Minecraft Preview and signing in with the same Microsoft account you used for the invite. This syncs worlds and settings. Enable any Bedrock Preview features in the in-app settings and let the app download add-ons or world conversions. If something goes wrong, like install errors or missing entitlement, reboot your iPhone, confirm the invite email matches your Apple ID, then reopen TestFlight and retry accept/install. If builds show expired, wait for the next invite batch or re-enroll.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.